Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a YouTube video and how to upload it. Let's go. To begin with, you're gonna click the share button on your controller. Then you're gonna look at video clip. Here is where your gameplay is recorded previously. So you click video clip and it saves. Another way to record your gameplay starts by entering the game. Once you're in the game, you click the share button twice on your controller, and that's how you start the recording. To stop the recording, you just have to press the same button, which is the share button on your controller, twice once more. You'll get a notification on the top left of your screen that you have started or ended the video. To upload the video, you have to first go to the capture gallery. You then select the game that you recorded, go to the first video, press options, information, and then you can edit the name. After that, you just press the share button on your controller, and here you can pick YouTube. Here you can either trim, play to rewatch, change the video you want to upload, include a title, a description. You can either put what privacy you want the video on. You can add some tags or even select players from your friends to tag into the video. Then you just click share and the video starts uploading. And this is how you record and upload videos to the PlayStation. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.